building your first website with AI. Even if you have no idea how to do it, you have an idea in your head, but you don't know how to put it in the words. This is what we're gonna go through step by step today. I made it very simple for everyone. We have built some examples, some templates that you can actually copy, paste to your favorite AI, and then you're gonna get the visualization. What you need to do is to actually put something into action. So your business, your idea, just type it down, what you're running, how you're running, and then just give it your personal context to the AI, and then you will see what it comes up with. This is what I've built, and I created very simple. Those are just hero sections. The hero section is the most important part of the website. The animation, first text that people see when they land on your page. So those are a few examples. Those are visually pleasing because they are imagery. If you just do animations and text like I do have on mine, I haven't been focusing on building my website for some reason. Don't ask me why. And then here we go. We have 25 examples, different industries. We cover very distinct styles and colors and fonts. So you can just copy paste what you like and then feed it to AI, give your information, and then it will start making something that you can actually play around with that will work for your business. So you're not gonna have a copy paste of my website. You're gonna have an idea where to start. So let's pick one from here. So the garage. So let's say we have a garage. So you copy from the bottom right in here. Then we go to Claude Code, and then we add Claude or Codex, whatever AI you prefer or you use. Actually, let's do both and see the difference. So we run Claude, put them on side by side. Alright, so we open Codex in the same folder. We open it, we give the permissions, full access. So we go all in. YOLO. Alright, so we go back to the website, we go back to the terminal, we paste this, and then let's give some context. I run. So let's copy the same exact one, paste it in here. Let's add open when ready, call it my same. Okay, so we gave both of them the same exact task, and we're gonna see how it goes. Claude did ask us a few questions, so we just answered to that, and then we're gonna wait for a little bit. We are 2 minutes in. While we wait, and so you understand, this is just the beginning. This is just the landing page. It's just a draft of what you have in your head. So if you like something from here, you say use this font with this color hero to be more animated, and you don't know the animation, or you don't know what type of effects you want to add to the website, you click on it and then you look. So the buttons, you say I want the button to flip, and then we'll create a first option for you, and then you say, oh, I like it or I don't like it. So if you don't like it, you say what you don't like, because it's very important. You say I don't like it, but you don't say why you don't like it. And then if you say why you don't like it, the AI will adjust it, and then you can go back and forth and iterate on the design, and then it will eventually come up with exactly what you want. This is a GPT. They are animated, they're different colors. It's pretty cool, very simple, classic. There you go. So now you have your first draft. You can say I like this style, I don't like the writing in there. You want to change the font or you want to change the colors. That will be easy adjustable. You just go iterate back and forth. Let's see what, and this is what Claude built. Keep the patina fix, everything else. It has that recipe there, same exact, different wording in here. So you got the template, and then you got in your first draft, you'll have something like this. If you choose that template, if you choose another template, you will have, as a standard, you will have the template that you choose. So that's why I'm saying it's very important to have a start. But the fact that you have some templates that you can do it, you allocate 1 hour for this, you go look on the website or your favorite AI guru, and then find something and then say, hey, I want my website to look like this. Or if you find something on the internet, take a screenshot, give it and say, change the look to make it like this. And then you iterate back and forth. You have something that you like, you keep that, and then you give it to someone to build it for you in full as a website, or use it as a landing page for your promotions, for your Google ads, for Meta ads, or whatever you want to use it for, or email marketing. Now they both finished, 3 minutes 48, 4 minutes 40. They did a pretty good job. Very simple. Copy paste. You'll have your first draft, as you can see in here. You have a garage. Obviously, you're not a techie guy. You're a mechanic, or you want to start a shop. You don't have a website. A lot of businesses, they do not have websites. I did try. I'm not very good at sales. I did try to call a few shops around, and they said they are okay with that. But if you run your own shop, you should do this. Build up something that you like and say, hey, I want this to be on my website by Monday. Make sure you don't lock yourself in for stupid amount of money. This is a disclaimer. This is not SEO optimized. HTML is good for SEO, but this is not a website that will rank on Google. This is just a landing page. This is a draft, a start for something that you will build, or for something that you will direct on building. That's what it is. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.